Alright, what is up, YouTube? We're back out here. This job we did a little over a year ago now, maybe a year and a half. And we are adding, you can see those posts out there. We got these in Monday before it rained. And basically what we're doing, so we're building our privacy screen because about a month or two ago they put these bad boys up behind her, and so now that second floor up there was able to see right back into her patio area, and she didn't like that. She wanted privacy. So we're putting these big 6x6s up, and then the customer ordered these panels off the interwebs, and we're not gonna use the legs that came with them. We're just gonna use the panels themselves, and we're just gonna mount them to the back of these posts. And then on the inside in here, we're just gonna keep that same border. We're gonna bring it around, put the white limestone in, a couple more pavers going out, and yeah, just give her a nice little privacy screen and a little walk path. But yeah, that's about it. We're gonna get down to it. It's gonna go real fast for y'all.
well, before we show you the finished product, let's go back and remember what this place looked like when we first got started. We are so proud of this space we've been able to create for this homeowner. She has been so fun to work with for the last 2 years, one of our favorite customers, and has been so generous to let us be the ones to do this project for her.